How to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your booking.com application, then provide all the details related to your journey, like where you are traveling to and the dates and the people who are involved in this particular journey. Then click on search. After that, list of properties will appear. Just click on any particular property that you are interested in. You will be able to find that some properties offer you no prepayment needed facility, so you can select that particular property and make the payment after you reach that particular place, or maybe you can cancel it up. Suppose you click on this one, no prepayment was needed, but you can also see that this option is also written over here, no credit card needed. So you can book using other options. So there will be different options you can choose from and pay the amount. So just simply open up any property and check whether credit card is needed or not, and also find for the properties where no prepayment is needed. So this way you would not require any credit card at all, and this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.